In this episode, we're going to cover Home Depot gutters. Do we recommend the local hardware store gutters? We do not recommend those products that are carried at the local hardware stores. Click the link up above. I have a video on how to install gutters. Gives you a little more details on your local hardware store gutters and where to get the professional material and the professional gutters. I will also leave a list of professional supplies and tools you will need for any of your gutter accessories or any gutter repairs that you're looking to complete. A complete list right down there in the description. The reason why we don't recommend Home Depot gutters or the Lowe's gutters or any of your local hardware store gutters, they're really not a professional grade material. The material is not even comparable. For one thing, they're not going to be seamless. You can only get them in certain sections. The paint finish on them, super low gloss. The thickness of the gutter, super thin aluminum material. It's not going to be a material that's actually going to last. They are the main reasons why we do not recommend a Home Depot gutter installation, gutter guard installation, gutter repair installation. It doesn't really matter. We don't recommend a material because it's really not a professional grade, just to kind of simplify it there. So that's basically it. Hopefully I've answered that question. If not, leave some comments down there below. If you like what you see, subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell notification, get notified every time that I post a video. Don't forget to like and share the video, guys. Thanks a lot.